Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to tell you guys how I made 5,000 Ghana cedis from importation business. Yeah, you heard me right, 5,000 Ghana cedis. Okay, yes, so I actually started importing from Nigeria about 2 years ago. Okay, and this 5,000 Ghana cedis, I'm telling you, it's just within a period of 2 months. Okay, I was able to import goods from Nigeria and sold them out, and my profit was 5,000 Ghana cedis. Guys, if you are interested in such video, kindly stick around and watch to the end of this video. I have other interesting videos also relating to businesses and also importation from Nigeria to Ghana, so keep watching. Okay, so yes, usually we do have a group that we gather around, make our orders. Everything is online. Okay, we make our orders online to the suppliers. They are very trusted suppliers that we have, and then we buy the goods. When it arrives, we sell them. There are a lot of goods that we always buy from Nigeria, including clothing, okay, shoes, bags, clothes, even GTPs. You can get them from Nigeria at affordable prices. Okay, you know, naira to cedi is not that expensive. Okay, cedi to naira is not that expensive. So buying goods from Nigeria to Ghana, you're actually going to make a lot of profit. So imagine that you are having like 5,000 Ghana cedis. Okay, 5,000 Ghana cedi, you are going to get a whole lot of goods from Nigeria to buy. Okay, even with 1,000 Ghana cedis, you'll be able to buy a lot of things that you can actually sell and get double of the amount that you have invested. Okay, you're actually going to buy goods worth 3,000 Ghana cedis if you are having 1,000 Ghana cedis and you are buying it from Nigeria. Okay, it all depends on your contacts. Just make sure that you get trusted suppliers. Okay, yes, so I actually have some trusted suppliers that I buy goods from. Yes, so I pumped in an amount of 3,000 Ghana cedis, and I was able to make a profit of 5,000 Ghana cedis. So all these things that you are seeing right now are from Nigeria. Okay, bed covers, clothing, all kind of, just count them, all kind of clothing. Okay, you can actually import them from Nigeria. Even abayas, all the Muslim wears and clothes and sandals, bags, shoes, and like everything that you can think of, you can actually import from Nigeria to Ghana. You are going to be making a whole sum of profit, a whole lot of money from importation from Nigeria to Ghana. Okay, yes, it is going to follow the legal route. It's going to follow the cargos, and they are going to be able to make pass through the custom with legal documents and all that. Yes, do not worry about that, because the drivers are able to navigate their way through the custom barriers. Okay, yes, I have a lot of people coming to ask me, where do I go myself? Do I go to Nigeria to buy the things myself? No, I've never set foot in Nigeria before. I just sit at the comfort of my home here with my phone and my data. I just make sure that I have network, and yes, I'm able to get the contacts of the suppliers, and I chat them directly, pay the amount to them, and then buy the goods. With the help of the suppliers, the goods gets to Accra for me to receive my goods. Okay, so where I am, I'm also in the northern part of Ghana, Tamale. So when the goods gets to Accra, I make arrangement and the goods gets to me in Tamale here. Yes, even though I am a business person, yes, I appreciate every little profit that I get from this business that I am doing. Okay, yes, so if you are interested in Nigerian importation and you want to know more about importing from Nigeria to Ghana, kindly link me on Facebook, Hussein Inimanambe on Facebook. Come to Messenger and chat me, and we will take it from there. Okay, yes. you can sit at the comfort of your home and make this thing happen at the snap of your fingers. But please be mindful of frosted. Make sure that you are getting reliable contacts of suppliers before you venture into this kind of business. Okay, yes, I must tell you, it's a very tedious job to do. It's a very tedious job to do. The only thing that you are going to find difficulty in is just waiting. Okay, putting your trust in the process and then waiting patiently for the goods to arrive after you've made your orders. Okay, I'll be explaining much more on the process of importation in another video. If you are interested, kindly leave a comment below that you are interested to know more about importation from Nigeria to Ghana, and I'll come out and make a video of the things or the goods that you'll be able to buy from Nigeria to Ghana. Yes, guys, thank you so much for watching.